Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing the Bingo M2, that is the smartwatch by Bingo known as M2. Now firstly, you can already see that this has a unique feature of the heart rate monitor, alike from the Xiaomi Mi Band, which makes it good, better than that I guess. Now in the box you get a charging cable and this wristband holder. Now this wristband holder looks quite comfortable. It's rubber type and it's also sleek and looks really good in the hand. Now secondly, let me just go through all the features of this device. Now this has a ton of features such as time, your step counter, your how many calories you've burned, how many steps you've taken, and also the heart rate monitor. This is the amount of distance you've traveled, the amount of calories you've burned, and your heart rate monitor. And that is all. And the battery of this device is also quite good, so no need to worry about that. Now secondly, this is how you charge it. You get a special cable, but the cable is kind of small, so that is a disappointment. Now this is how it looks in the wristband. It feels quite comfortable in the hand and it's also quite sturdy and it looks really good. Testing out the heart rate, you can see it gets an almost accurate heart rate of 69 for me. 89, sorry. Testing out the step counter, you can see that after I walked a couple of steps, it shows me a step increase in about 10 to 11 steps, which is okay. It's not that accurate, but it's fine. Now to connect this device to the phone, you need to download an app called Droid Health. It's available on the Play Store. You can just go ahead and install it, and there you go. Now however you want to control this device, you have to control it using your phone. So you can just go ahead and connect the device to Bluetooth first. And as you can see, it connects right away to the name M2. And there you go. It's that simple. Jumping into the app, to enter it, we need to enter our phone number and our name. And once you do it, you already get your save data from your device and it already loads into your phone. And you can do various settings like keep the time. You can also configure it to receive notifications from calls and messages, which is a really great feature and I love it. And you have all your basic information in this and so on. And that's how you do it. It's a really unique device and it's a good buy from me. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching.